I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, everyone. Congratulations to our newly elected Horace Mann Community Schools Student Council. Each one of you will play a vital role in the continued development of our school. Among these challenging times, it is the responsibility of the Student Council to be actively involved in creating innovative ideas in which we can contribute to our community, as well as helping to keep Horace Mann Community School such a special place. In time, each of you will learn that the actions of a few can make a tremendous difference for many. Please know that this is an extremely high honor where your classmates believe in your displaying qualities of leadership and character. It is up to you as student council leaders to promote values of respect and responsibility and help foster collaboration among our school. As officers and representatives, you will fulfill these duties as role models for our school. I would like to thank each of you for your determination, your dedication, and your eagerness to devote your time and effort to make your community and school a better place. Once again, I would like to congratulate our Horace Mann Community Schools 2024-2025 Student Council. We are very proud of you.
Good morning, Principal Mr. Costello, Assistant Principal Mr. Wexler, faculty, parents, students, and honored guests. Today we come together to install our Student Council officers and representatives into the Horace Mann Community Schools Student Council. As Student Council representatives and officers, You have been elected to serve on the Horace Mann School Student Council because your schoolmates feel that you have the ability and skills that will make you a good leader, a leader who will listen, attend all meetings, uphold all school policies, and take an active part in the daily life of Horace Mann Community School. I would now like to call Mr. Costello and Mr. Wexler to the stage to present our students with their honor. President Gia Logan, please stand. Please raise your right hand. Gia Logan, as Student Council President, your schoolmates look to your leadership, integrity, diligence, and dedication. You are required to preside at all meetings and represent Horace Mann Community School with dignity and be respectful of school rules and policies. Do you accept and pledge yourself to fulfill your duties as Student Council President? I do hereby declare you duly installed Student Council President. As Student Council Vice President, you are required to assist the President at request and to assume the duties of office whenever it becomes necessary for you to do so. Do you accept and pledge yourself to fulfill your duties as Student Council Vice President? I do hereby declare you duly installed Student Council Vice President. Congratulations. Secretary, Avery Krzyzanowski. Please stand. Please raise your right hand. Avery Krzyzanowski, as Student Council Secretary, you are required to keep an accurate record of all the proceedings of all Student Council meetings. Do you accept and pledge yourself to fulfill your duties as Student Council Secretary? I do. I do hereby declare you duly installed Student Council Secretary. Congratulations. Treasurer, McKenna Rafferty. Please stand. Please raise your right hand. McKenna Rafferty, as Student Council Treasurer, you are required to submit a financial statement to the President and keep accurate records of all financial transactions. Do you accept and pledge yourself to fulfill your duties as Student Council Treasurer? I do hereby declare you duly installed Student Council Treasurer. Congratulations. We will now begin with homeroom representatives. Homeroom representatives, when I call your names, will you please stand? Mia Acevedo, Chloe McLaughlin, Stephanie Brenton, Hamza Shusa, Kiros Farag, Alejandra Flores, Emma Karjewski, Mackenzie Cherry, Lavina Gascarone, Max Nichols, Skylar Sanderman, Aiden Daniel, Alessandra Galindo, Sarah Kuzma, Avery Weimer. Congratulations. required to attend all meetings, relay the information discussed back to your homerooms, and bring any questions or concerns your classmates may have to the student council. Do you accept and pledge yourself to fulfill the duties of homeroom representatives? I do hereby declare you duly installed student council homeroom representatives. Congratulations. Representatives, please stand. I would now like to present to you the Horace Mann Community School Student Council officers and representatives for the 2024-25 school year. Congratulations. You may be seated. In closing, we would like to say thank you to our audience for being exceptional listeners today. And I would like to say a special congratulations to my newly elected student council officers and representatives. I'm really looking forward to working with you so we could, do some really great things this year for Horace Mann School. So this is the end of our ceremony.